In this tutorial, we're going to explore a brand new AI video maker which you can use to create any video of your choice, be it for TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, among many others. This video is created using DeepBrain AI Studio. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a video with a 3D talking avatar from ChatGPT Prompt using DeepBrain AI Studio. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Register for DeepBrain AI Studio using the link provided in this video description to obtain a free trial version. You can register using your Google account or email. In my case, I have an account already, so I'll be logging in using my Google account. Step 2. Once the registration process is complete, log into your dashboard and click on the ChatGPT icon to start generating a video with ChatGPT's help. Step 3. Type your command or prompt. In this video, I asked ChatGPT to create a video about how to leverage social media to increase sales. Now select your desired template, then click Create Your Free AI Video to start generating your video. Kindly wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Once the generation process is complete, you can either start rendering your video or customize it to meet your needs. Let's explore the relevant tools for editing your video. Number 1 is template. You can use it to choose the template that fits your video presentation. For example, I am choosing this one here. Number 2 is model. Here, you have the option to change the avatar model of your choice. You have the option to choose whether to use the avatar's full body here, or make it circular here, or rather use only the avatar's voice here. To change the avatar's voice and accent, click here. You can also click here to upload any audio file of your choice. Number 3 is text. Under text, you can add a title to your video by clicking here, or subtitle by clicking here. And lastly, body text by clicking here. Number 4 is media. Under the media, the image icon here is for choosing a background for your video, like this for example. The video icon is for adding an additional video element to your video, like this for example. The audio icon is for adding background music to your video. Choose any music and choose any of these options. Number 5 is asset. Under this icon, you can choose to upload your background image, video, and audio files from your device files, or choose to record your screen here. Number 6 is shapes. Here, you can add any shape of your choice that fits your video presentation perfectly, like this for example. Step 5. Once the video setup is complete, click the generate icon located at the top right corner here. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Then click on the video asset and click download to save video to your device storage. Let's quickly look at the result of the video we just created.
In this presentation, we will explore the various ways social media can be leveraged to enhance sales and grow your customer base. Understand the demographics, preferences, and needs of your target audience to create relevant and engaging content that drives sales. Evaluate the major social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, to determine which ones offer the best reach and engagement for your specific audience. Develop a content strategy that focuses on delivering relevant and informative content, engaging with users, and building relationships through social media. Utilize visual media, user-generated content, and compelling calls to action.
Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you find it helpful. See you all next time.